Hello, and welcome to the DuPage CVB Extranet Training video series. This video will show you how to use the Opportunities tab in the Extranet. This is where you will go to view and respond to business opportunities coming from the DuPage CVB in the form of sales leads, also known as RFPs, and service requests. Once logged into the Extranet, to view the opportunities available to you, go to the Opportunities tab. Here we can see our two options for RFPs and service requests. Both RFPs and service requests go through a similar process. So keep that in mind as we're looking through RFPs, that service requests are going to follow a very same business flow. The two types of opportunities that we're seeing, RFPs and service requests, differ based on the type of opportunities that they are. RFPs are going to be opportunities for hotels that involve room nights. Service requests are going to be opportunities for all types of partners that don't involve room nights. Some examples include catering requests, transportation requests, meeting space only requests, and others. We'll start off by going through our RFPs. Once on the RFPs display area, the first thing you'll notice is that a lot more filters have been made available to you. Please keep in mind that you have the ability to manage your filters using the Manage Filters button. That way you can customize the filters that you're using to locate the opportunities inside the Extranet. But here you'll have access to all opportunities that have been sent to you through the DuPage CVB system. So an important filter to use is the Property Lead Status. This lets us know what stage of the business process certain opportunities are in. So are we looking at new opportunities or old opportunities to see what happened? So when activating the Property Lead Status filter, choose from Open. These are new leads that have not yet been responded to. Open Bid Sent. These are tentative leads that you have responded to but have not yet closed. And the difference between our open statuses and closed statuses all has to do with the response date. The response date is the day that responses are due. After the response date passes, leads become closed and you can no longer respond via the Extranet. So for our closed statuses, first we see closed no bid sent. That's an opportunity that has gone past the due date and no response has been logged in the Extranet. Turned down are leads where you specifically responded saying that you cannot accommodate that group and you'll not be pursuing that piece of business. Closed Decision Pending. These are leads that you have bid on and the response due date has now passed, but we're still awaiting for a decision from the meeting planner. Closed Lost to Another City. This is an opportunity that you bid on where the meeting planner has chosen a different destination for their event. Closed Canceled, something that you bid on that then never happened. Closed Won is where you can view opportunities that you bid on and were awarded part of that business. Closed Won, Properties to be Determined, means that the meeting planner has selected DuPage County as their destination, but have not yet selected a hotel or do not plan to contract. Closed Lost, in this case, is a piece of business that chose DuPage County as their destination, but contracted with a different hotel. But to look for new leads, we choose Open, Open Bid Sent, click Apply Filters, and then we'll see those leads in the grid below. Please keep in mind that the columns you're viewing are clickable, so we can sort, for instance, by response due date. Once you've selected an opportunity that you'd like to respond to, click the eye icon or the lead name to view the details. Carefully review all of the details before responding. Look for any revision notes for revised leads, lead information. Scrolling down, we see those key dates, the response due date. Another key date is the decision date. That's when the meeting planner has indicated they're going to select their destination and hotel. Continuing to scroll down, we see the meeting requirements and other details. Check the Action Requested field for information on how to respond. Additional comments, competitive sites, any additional documents to download will be under the Meeting Specs field. Then scrolling down, we see date information. Please note the preferred date for this event. Then we can see the room summary for details about what rooms are needed. Note that on the meeting dates we see the preferred date range, but when we get down to our response section, there may be multiple date ranges available to you. Please be sure to respond to all dates possible for this event. If you're operating as the lead catcher for your property, when you get to the responses section, we can see who this lead is currently assigned to. To assign the lead to other sales managers, click the Assign link, and then your sales managers will appear on the right. Choose and click Save to assign. When viewing the lead details as an assigned sales rep, or if responding as the lead catcher, go down to the date ranges available and click the plus icon next to each to add your response. Once on the new response screen, scroll down to the response information section, and first, are you pursuing this lead? Choose yes or no. If selecting no, please note that comments are required. Please put in a little bit of detail as why you're not pursuing this business opportunity. If saying yes, then place your comments in the comments or bureau-only comments fields. Enter your rate range, and then using the room information grid, please add the number of rooms that you can hold for this event. Note that requested rooms and the peak fills in automatically from what you've entered in the room information section. Lastly, attach any file attachments, so proposals or any other documents that go along with your response. When finished crafting your response, click Save. That will then bring you back to the lead details page, and you can scroll back down to the responses section and respond to each date range available to you. When finished responding, click the Return button to come back to the main RFPs page. You can also use the DuPage CVB Extranet to submit your pickup numbers, so actual numbers from after the event has occurred. In this case, we'll use our property lead status, but we're not looking for open or open bid sent. Now we're looking for closed won, pieces of business that you've been awarded. Click Apply Filters, and then we'll see anything available down here where you've been awarded part of that business. For anything where the meeting dates are in the past, you can click the eye icon to go back to the lead details page, and then down below the responses section is the room data section where you can submit your pickup here. Click on Pickup, then down below put in the number of rooms used for each day of the event and your average daily rate. Then click Save to submit. Service requests, the other type of opportunity, follow a very similar pattern. Click the Service Requests area to view service request opportunities. We see the same status filter is available with the same statuses from the lead section. To view new opportunities, click Open and Apply Filters. Just like RFPs, service requests are either open or closed based on the deadline date. When viewing new opportunities, click the eye icon to view the details. Carefully review the request information. Below, we see the request dates and time info, and planner contact info. Scrolling down, any additional notes, and then our response area. To add your response, click the plus icon. Then over on the right, again, are you pursuing? Choose yes or no. Then add your comments, bureau-only comments, attach any proposal, and click Update to submit your response. When finished viewing and responding to opportunities in the form of RFPs and service requests, you can click on the Home icon to return home, then click on any other option that's available to you in the Extranet, or if you're finished with your work in the Extranet for the day, click the Logout button. Thank you for viewing this training video. If you have any questions, contact the DuPage CVB. And look out for other videos in this series from for more details on different tasks that can be performed in the DoPage CVB Extranet. Thank you.